Hi beauties, how are you? Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So I am a little under the weather, so my voice is gonna sound a little bit different than normal, but I still wanted to get this video up for you guys. I am finally going to share my skincare routine, which has been highly requested. So I am going to be talking about all of the products that I love using. I do switch them out pretty often, but I also have my holy grail items that are definitely going to be featured today. So today's video was also inspired by Adrienne from All Things Adrienne here on YouTube. So a few months back, Adrienne actually invited me to be a part of her YouTube channel, and we actually collaborated for a no mirror makeup challenge. So we did our glam, which I was really impressed. Anyways, guys, please make sure to check out and subscribe to Adrienne's channel. I will link her channel down below. Also, if you want to see the video that we did together, which is the no mirror makeup challenge, and also her skincare routine, because she does have flawless skin. I also want to give a big shout out to my network, Kin, for sponsoring and collaborating with me on today's video. So with that being said, let's get to the juicy stuff. The very first thing that I do when I'm taking off my makeup is to remove my lashes and my eye makeup. And for that, I like to use 2 cotton rounds. So this is the Bifacial Eye Makeup Remover by Lancome. It's one of my absolute favorites because it's gentle on the eyes, but it's powerful enough to remove all of your eye makeup. I just like to press it onto my eye with my fake lashes on, believe it or not. It's pretty gentle. So after a few seconds, the lashes just come off pretty easily. And voila! Gently pull these off. Next, I want to move into a cult favorite. This is a must-have product that I've been using for years. This is a Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser, and I'm pretty obsessed with this stuff, guys. Again, it's a cold cream that is gentle and super powerful on the skin. And basically what I do is just take some onto my fingertips and then just start by massaging the cream all over my skin, and this is breaking down all of the makeup. So it's important for me to remove the majority of the makeup first and then go in with the cleanser to really finish off the skin. And you can see, like, this is really great also on the eyes. If you don't want to use the Lancome eye makeup remover or anything like that, I use it on the eyes also. Use it on the brows. Just spend a few minutes massaging this onto the skin. This is also really great if you are just really tired but you need to take your makeup off. I highly recommend that you never go to sleep with makeup on. All the bacteria that starts to build up in your lashes, in your mascara, in your pores is just so not healthy for your skin. It's not worth it. But something like this, if you have like makeup removing towelettes, you can massage this onto your skin and then just use the towelettes to remove it and then go to sleep. You don't even have to wash your face because it also kind of leaves your skin a little bit moisturized, which is really awesome. Now, what I like to use to remove it is this cloth right here. This one's from EcoTools. This is really cool because it has 2 textures. It has a side right here where it has more of a texture, so this is going to be great for exfoliating, and then it has a flat side here, which is great to just kind of remove your makeup, and you can rinse it and use it over and over and over again, which is really great for the environment. I remember when I started using the cold cream cleanser, I was actually using tissues, and that ended up being very wasteful. Tissues or toilet paper, so this is a better option. So what I like to do is just run this under hot water, and I'm gonna take the flat side and then just kind of start by working the makeup off my face, even the under eye makeup, and go through the lashes. That removes any mascara, which is always so hard. I find that I always find a little bit of like eyeliner or mascara like the next morning. There you go, and my skin is already feeling so refreshed and so clean. But believe it or not, It's still not the last thing that I do, but I could go to sleep if I wanted to like this because it still feels moisturized. All right, so next I'm gonna move into a cleansing oil. This one is from Tatcha. It's the One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. Another very gentle and powerful cleanser. I'm gonna do 2 pumps into the palm of my hand. I'm gonna rub my hands together, and then I'm just going to massage this onto my skin. This is going to give me the deep cleaning that I love. So now it's time to rinse off the cleansing oil with a little bit of lukewarm water. I just wanted to show you that once you add water to the oil, it actually turns to like a little bit of a white foam, but it does not leave any oil residue, which is really great. So you don't have to be afraid of using oils as cleansers because they're really amazing. This is Dr. Brandt's Micro Dermabrasion. And I have been a huge fan of micro dermabrasion for many years now also because it's a very intense exfoliator that really gets rid of all of the dead skin cells that are making your skin appear dull or flaky. Maybe you're putting on makeup now and you're starting to notice that your makeup is not looking radiant anymore. Maybe it's, you know, things are looking dull and not so fresh. This is an exfoliator that it's going to remove all of the dead skin cells. It's going to renew your epidermis. Recommended that you use this maybe once a week. Allow a few days in between before you use it again, because you definitely do not want to be using this every single day because you are getting rid of that top layer of skin. But it's going to absolutely renew your skin surface, especially if you have fine lines. This is really great for that also, guys, because it helps reduce them. And then just rinse it off with lukewarm water. Okay, so my skin is so supple, so soft, so clean, so renewed. That is how it feels and how it looks like. And after this, I am gonna move in directly into a toner because I like to close up my pores. And for this, I am using this one from Clinique. It's the Clarifying Lotion, which is a really great one. So I just take a little bit of this lotion, which is also a toner, and then just start in the center of my forehead and move it outward like this, and then also down my nose and up, and also on the neck. After that, we're gonna move into Serum, and this is the one that I'm obsessed with currently. It's by a brand that I cannot pronounce, but once I got my hands on this, first of all, it smells delicious. Don't know what it smells like, guys, honestly, but it just smells so good. It's the Truth Serum. It's collagen boosted with True C complex. I take a little bit of the serum onto my fingertips, and I just dab this all over my face like this. Because especially after doing the microdermabrasion, you want to be so extra gentle with your skin. So this is gonna give me a nice boost of collagen directly onto my skin, especially since I don't have any dead skin cells on top. All of these products are going to penetrate directly into my skin. So now moving on to moisturizers. I love me a really great moisturizer. It Cosmetics always delivers one of my favorites. This one is Secret Sauce, and it's an anti-aging moisturizer. Such an amazing formula. It feels so wonderful on the skin, and it's just completely amazing. So I highly recommend this moisturizer. It's for all skin types. I'm just gonna take some directly from the lid here. Boom, boom. And I'm just going to work it into my skin, going up, and on the forehead, a little circular motions, and then just blend it out. Now, I don't blend my moisturizers until it's completely gone. I like to leave it on a little bit thick on my skin because I just feel like it helps with the moisturizing effects a lot better. And then I'm gonna move on to a special neck cream. If I don't have my neck cream, then I will use the moisturizer that I used all over my face, also on my décolletage and on my neck. This one is the Ageless Genius by Bare Minerals. It's a really nice, luxurious cream as well. You can pick this up at Ulta. And I'm gonna work the moisturizer up. Like that. A lot of people forget about the neck and the chest, but it's really important to keep this area moisturized also. Now, next I'm gonna move into an eye cream. This one is also by IT Cosmetics, and I absolutely love this one. It's if you wanna illuminate your under eyes, if you wanna smooth it out, if you wanna get rid of any puffiness. This is really great for the morning and also before you go to bed. I'm taking a little bit and I'm just going to pat this underneath my eye and bring it all the way around like this. Yes, I do have a lot of steps to my skincare routine. There's a lot of steps into it, but I do take a lot of pride in how I take care of my skin. I love and I enjoy it. I definitely think there's an easier formula if that's something that you're looking for, but for me, all of these products work in different ways. So I really enjoy using them, and it's just like a little ritual that I do before bedtime. So to me, it's not a big deal whatsoever. So now for my eyebrow hair, I have been using this conditioning eyebrow primer for a while now. I use it to condition my hair. It's supposed to help the growth of your hair. So I've just been using it just to see if I see any difference, but I also like how it combs my eyebrows. So I just twist a little bit and then apply it onto my eyebrows like this, brush it up, make them nice and fluffy. And last but not least, I love doing a good lip mask right before bed. This one is by Tatcha and I am obsessed. It's one of my favorite products. It's kind of like a jelly formula, guys. So it comes with a little spatula and you just take some and you scoop it right out. I'm gonna put it directly onto the back of my hand just to keep things sanitized. And then I just take the lip mask and then I just apply it all over my lips. And they look so glossy. It's gonna keep them nice and hydrated. If you go to sleep, you wake up, your lips are going to be super hydrated, supple, and gorgeous. And this completes my entire skincare routine. If I wanna be extra, I'm gonna add one of my other favorite products, which is this one by Caudalie. This is a really great beauty elixir. It's very refreshing. So once you finish it all off, do the neck. So refreshing. And that's it, guys. That is my complete skincare routine. This is how I go to sleep. I lie down. I like to just relax, go into a deep sleep, hopefully, because I've been having a hard time falling asleep lately. I also love doing little spas here at my house. So I'll do facials. I'll like really do extractions if I need to. I'll do humidifiers or steamers. I'll do all kinds of different little tools and masks that are really going to help bring my skin back to life if I'm having like a really bad skin moment, which has happened more than once. So anyways, hopefully you guys got some tips and tricks, or maybe you found some products that hopefully might work for you guys. If you found this video really interesting, please make sure to thumb it up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, don't forget to check out all things Adrienne. New videos on her channel every Tuesday, guys, so I am here for all of them. I will link her channel down in the info bar for you guys to find it a little bit more easier if you haven't. And I also wanted to say thanks again to Kin for collaborating with me in today's video. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions or comments on anything that I covered in today's video, please leave me a comment down below. I can't wait to read your comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!